Good morning, and sadly, I didn't get to practice riding the motorcycle, and because I fall asleep, and then I didn't know if they woke me up, but I didn't manage to get up, or they just let me sleep. But today, it's my rest day, and I did a lot of things. So especially my calisthenics. So I really want to do a handstand. So I did go outside to walk, and I found a nice place that I can practice. So every time I have my rest day, I just wanna do that. But for today, I only did it 7 minutes, and I really wanna, what they call this. I really wanna finish or manage to do that by this week. And also, I tried that only for 7 days or 7 minutes, and I should have done it 10 minutes, but it's starting to get a little bit rain, and I'm getting out of nowhere, so I just let my body rest. Especially, it's my rest day to the foundation, or building my foundation for calisthenics. So I didn't want to overforce myself, but that's just me justifying why I did stop. But yeah, I just want to do that, as well as my poetry, which has zero engagement as of right now, but I didn't feel bad or anything about that. I just I don't really care about my post anymore, because I essentially told myself that that is my creative outlet. If someone would engage on that, it would be okay, but if it doesn't get any engagement, it would be fine as well, because I'm not really looking for attention. I just wanna let out myself there. And also, I did download Mobile Legends and Heroes Above, both MOBA games, and I'm planning to play MOBA while I am planking, because I have essentially read or watch a video about this guy trying to enhance his mental toughness by doing the plank on the video, on the whole video, and it got me inspired. And then one of the things that he said is, you do it consistently. Aside from that, is you do games, or you play games during your plank, so that your body would associate plank as a dopamine booster, because that what addictive game is. So essentially, I will remove the game, and then I will do something else while I'm doing plank. But as of right now, I want to play games while I'm doing the plank.